Hello and welcome to the Rosemount 1408H level transmitter basic configuration tutorial. My name is Christoph Alhoyek and I'm a level product specialist at Emerson. In order to configure the Rosemount 1408H, you will need the IO-Link USB communicator, which comes equipped with an M12 cable on the transmitter end and another USB Type-A cable on the computer end. Once the modem has been connected to both ends, launch the Rosemount IO-Link Assistant. First, we need to download and install the Iodds in order to be able to communicate with the Rosemount 1408H. In order to do that, click on the cloud on the top right-hand corner. Make sure you are connected to the internet and have all the Iodds displayed here. Click OK to proceed. Now we are ready to establish connection with the transmitter. Click on the Read From Device so that the IO-Link Assistant can find the Rosemount 1408H. To configure the Rosemount 1408H, you can first start by selecting the engineering units that you prefer. In order to get the desired reading from the transmitter, you need to input the reference height for your application. This measurement should be equal to the distance between the device reference point and your desired zero level. Next, you should configure the outputs of the transmitter. Output 1 can be configured as a digital output or an IO-Link mode. Output 2 can be configured as a digital output or an active 4 to 20 milliamp analog output. If you choose to set your second output as an analog 4 to 20 milliamp signal, then you need to set the corresponding upper and lower range values. Make sure to click on Write to Device to send the configuration to the transmitter. For basic troubleshooting, you can analyze the echo peaks under the Echo Peaks tab. For a general overview of your setup, you can switch to the dashboard view where you can see live data. Thank you for your attention. If you have any questions, please reach out to your nearest Emerson representative.